Hey guys, Cameron over at 816 Diesel, bringing you a cold start walk around video today on this 2006 Ford F250 King Ranch. 6.0 Powerstroke, crew cab short bed. We're just going to be going over the condition, the motor, under the hood, a little bit of everything today. But hopping into it, pretty nice truck. A little bit of paint scrape from door sag there. Leather's in great shape, no tears or rips or anything. Oh. All right, truck has not been started or anything today. 209-547. We pulled it out the shop this morning about 4 hours ago. Haven't touched it. Truck fires right up, no problem. As you can see, it's very cold. 209-547. Truck runs and drives amazing. This is a very nice rig. It's loaded up, 4-wheel drive, power sliding, auxiliary, got trailer brakes down there, digital climate control AC, cup holders, 6-disc in-dash CD changer, got all your steering wheel controls for the radio. It's just on static, but as well as your AC controls there. And cruise control, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, and then we do have power heated seats as well. No sunroof in the truck. It does have power rear sliding, and it does work. Console style truck, so seat belts for 5 in here. All in all, really clean truck on the inside. There's not a lot bad I can say about it. AC's ice cold. Everything works as it should. Yeah, let's pop out, take a look under the hood and walk around the body and kind of go over our modifications and everything. This truck is 100% bone stock as far as the mechanics go. Those are just new boost tubes that have been painted sinister blue. We replaced the plastic one right there because it was cracked. With the exception of that, everything is original. EGR is still intact. Head gaskets are original. The truck's never been studded. It does not have any blow-by. It's never been tuned or had exhaust on it or anything. We bought the truck in stock condition, and we did the lift kit, wheels, tires, and then the blue boost tubes under the hood. We also added a set of Harley Davidson headlights, some smoke cab lights, and some smoke mirror lights as well. But going over the truck, great condition all around. Couple little scratches with some touch up on them there. We've got a 22 by 12 inch wide Monster Arsenal wheel, or excuse me, Mayhem. And it's got a -44 offset, and we're running a 35, 1250, 22 amp all-terrain tire. Wheels and tires are brand new. They have a machine milled face on them. A lot of lip. Super nice looking wheels and tires. And then we've also got a 3-inch leveling kit up front. It is a rust-free truck. No rust on the cab corners or rockers. Very minor surface, very minor. Very clean truck though. And I'm not seeing any dings or dents really over here on this side. It's a pretty straight truck. No rust coming over the fender flares on the bed. I haven't pulled them off, but it's pretty dang clean underneath, so let's just take a look. We do have a B&W turnover ball. Our bed rails are in excellent condition. They're not rotted out and crumbled. That one has a little bit of the casing cracking on it, but still in great shape. And then we do have a gooseneck turnover, well, we just covered that. Turnover ball in the bed. Tailgate straight, it's not beat up. Little ding in the bumper there, nothing bad. It does have a bed liner in it as well. It's a plastic style bed liner. Exhaust is stock. It's not loud at all. FX4 off-road package. Yeah, there's not a lot to point out as far as dings or dents go. This truck is super clean all around. Does have the metal folding trays on both sides as well. And the center console that pulls out in the back there. That's pretty much it, guys. This is a really nice truck head to toe. A couple miles on it, bone stock, never abused. Great lift and wheels and tires on it. If you don't like the wheels and tires, we can change them out. But this truck shouldn't last long in this condition. For being in the Midwest, this is a pretty nice rust-free truck. But if you're interested, 816diesel.com. That is where you should start. You're going to find VIN, pictures, information, everything's on the website. You can call the shop direct, 816-298-7030. Best way to get a hold of me is on my cell phone. My name's Cameron. Feel free to text me or call me anytime. 913-735-3748. That's my cell phone number. If you got any questions, need any help, hit me up. I'm happy to get them answered and get this truck showing. So let me know what I can do, guys. I appreciate your time. We got a couple more videos coming at you this week, so keep your eyes open. Thanks.